What's up, SBM gang? Today I'm back with another Love Me Hair collab. Y'all already know Love Me Hair loves to send me the wigs, so it's no shade. But yes, they sent me this HD bomb straight wig. It had a lot of body volume, so I decided to add some layers and some curls and give what we gave, period. Shout out to Sierra Lily jamming Kelly's makeup. It's just something about the way Sierra Lily do Kelly's makeup that I just live for. So I'm gonna put all her information in my description box so y'all can go follow her social medias. And it's no shade, period. Once the glue is all dry, I'm going to place that HD scalp on her skin, and it's just no shade, period. This wig was so easy to install. I did not pluck it prior to installing it. I plucked it on her head. I like to show you guys that that's the option as well. And I did it quick because with HD lace, the hairline doesn't really be too thick, so you can get away with plucking real fast on their head. I'm using my foam to get this. Y'all see this natural hump? That's what we don't want. So the foam, it gets the hair laying flat, like every single hair, not just some of the hair. No shade. So now I'm going in and I'm plucking this hairline. I'm thinning it out. Now, if you notice, I'm plucking towards her face. I'm not plucking away from her face, because if I pluck the other way, it'll pull the lace back. So if you pluck forward, you don't have to worry about lifting your lace because it's not pulling. You're going the opposite direction. And, that's just the smartest way to do it for me. Let me know if you guys like to do it the other way. That's a lot. But yeah, so once I get to plucking, I have to hot comb it and see what else I need to pluck. Hot combing just lets me see how it looks laid. And it just gives me that better visual of what areas I need to thin out. So once I'm done plucking, I go in and I cut my baby hairs and I begin the styling process. I curled it with a big flat iron because I ain't had nothing else. Even though I tell y'all not to use the big flat iron, and y'all still shouldn't. But if you have to, be careful, child. I'm using my red hairspray to ladies' baby hairs. Y'all know I don't like gel like that anymore for baby hairs. We're just on a new path. I might do mousse every now and then, but these days I'm just really on the hairspray trend, no shade. Now I'm just adding some more layers to this hair. This hair already had like a bounce to it, but I still wanted to give that extra body, so I did go in and I layered it piece by piece, no shade. Now I'm going in with my flat iron, my Baby Bliss flat iron. I used to have this flat iron in college, then I broke it, then I went and got a new one recently. So I love this flat iron. It's great for curling hair and pressing out bone straight looks. So, it's one of those both-handed flat irons. And once we get all those curls going and we take off that melt belt, this is our finished product. Shout out to LUVME Hair, because this HD lace is HDing right now, okay? I don't even think I bleached the knots on this wig, and it still just is so melty. Y'all know, like, I really mess with LUVME Hair. Shout out to LUVME Hair. They ate that. They always eat that though. Shout out to Sierra Lily for killing this makeup on Kelly Hicks. I will put all the information for the wig, the makeup, Kelly's social medias, everybody's stuff will be in the description box. Shout out to all my subscribers, my SBM gang. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Let me find out. Like, this is happening overnight. It's crazy, y'all. We're just growing fast and fast. So I love it. I love y'all. Period.